To use a gift card on the McDonald's app, you need to start by downloading and installing the app on your mobile device. Once you have the app, create an account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, tap on the profile icon and select the payments option. Then click on Add Payment Method and choose Gift Card. You will be prompted to enter the gift card number and the PIN, which can be found on the back of the gift card. Enter the gift card details carefully and confirm the addition of the gift card to your account. Once the gift card is added, you can use it to make purchases on the app by selecting it as your payment method during checkout. To check the balance on your gift card, go to the Payments section and select the gift card you added. The remaining balance will be displayed. You can also use multiple gift cards on the McDonald's app by adding them as separate payment methods. When using a gift card on the McDonald's app, make sure to check the terms and conditions of the gift card, as some may have restrictions or expiration dates. It is also important to keep your gift card details safe and secure to avoid any unauthorized transactions. Using a gift card on the McDonald's app is a convenient and easy way to make purchases. And by following these steps, you can enjoy your favorite meals and drinks with ease. Always keep track of your gift card balance and use it before it expires to get the most value out of your gift card.